Good morning, guys. This is Mark McRae, and I was asked an hour or so ago, what exactly is vision? Not what you read in the billboards and the bumper stickers and everything else, but I think vision is definitely divided into two different parts. So you have vision for yourself, and as a CEO and as the owner of a business and a company, I think you actually have to have vision for yourself before you can have vision for your company. But let's talk about vision for your company. And the vision for your company is your dream for what you want for that company. Not only is it your dream for what you want for it, but it should be based on your basic philosophy. So the dream is a kind of extension of your philosophy, not only your philosophy in life, but your philosophy about how you treat people and how you do business. And also your character. If you have to be, if you're a moral and ethical person who leads by example, that's very important. Your team will emulate you. So I think those three are the most important parts of a vision, is that it's your dream, it's your basic philosophy on life, and it's your character that leads people. If you are a charismatic character, that's going to attract people to your dream. But if you're going to lead a team, you have to have all three of those things in place. Hope that helps today.